Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what I did to stop the browning of my Maranta plant's leaves. This is it here. I've had it several months now, and I got it in the winter time. I guess I should have done some more research because I learned that they really like a lot of humidity, and getting it in the winter with the furnace on, it started to dry out, and you can still see on the lower leaves some of the browning the original leaves still have, but the newer leaves are coming in great without the browning. So I'm going to share with you today how I did that, how I stopped it. And if you have any helpful care tips about the Maranta plant, if you have a lot of knowledge, if you could leave those in the comments, we would really appreciate it. That would be awesome. Okay, so it's a pretty simple fix. I got one of these acrylic boxes here on Amazon, and it came, I did have to put it together, but it was really simple. It came in, I believe it was 6 pieces, and they just all kind of snap together, and it opens like this, and it's sealed pretty well. Like, there's no major gaps in the corners, so I didn't have to put any weather stripping on some of the bigger, I know some of the cabinets, especially the IKEA, people weather strip, put the weather stripping on it, but I didn't have to do that. I wanted to show you my setup too. First, I wanted to show you this vintage planter I got. I love these. I've started collecting them. I'll probably do a video on them. Let me know if you collect them or what your favorite. I love just the different planters, different pots, almost as much as the plants, but there's that. But I'll go ahead and put her in first. It's growing, she's getting bigger, so I don't know how much longer I'll be able to keep her in here. I'm excited. I got a greenhouse that I put in my basement, but it needs some electrical work for the lighting. So whenever that is up and running, I will probably place her down there. But she still fits great, even when the leaves are raised in the evening. But I also got, you don't have to do this, but I do have a little container I put a little bit of water just to help with humidity. I don't think you have to really do that, but I do. So, and then I've got the hygrometer to read it. Now it says 40, but I've had it out. It normally stays about 65 to 70% when I have the door closed. So it really has made a difference. And then I just put little decor in. That's St. Francis. I'm not Catholic, but he's probably my favorite saint just because he was the patron saint of animals, and got the bird. I love birds. So you can decorate however you like, or if you want to put several plants in, you can. So there you have it. It's really been working out well. Like I said earlier, I haven't noticed any more browning in the leaves. I think it really helps with the humidity. It's already going up, as you can see. So again, if you have any tips that you would like to share in the comments, that would be awesome. And if you liked this video or enjoyed it, if you could just hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you like plant content, I would really appreciate it.